In this course, we'll cover Domain 1 and 2 for the CISSP certification. And if you buy more than one of these courses, you can, of course, the second time around, ignore the introduction. It repeats throughout the 4 courses. The CISSP curriculum is huge. It's very commonly referred to as being a mile wide, but only an inch deep. You do not need to know any of this in depth, but you do need to understand the entire curriculum and how it works together. And I also know many of you will have much more in-depth knowledge on some of the areas. You might think to yourself, yeah, but Thor, there is so much more to that, and I understand that. But the point here is to get you CISSP certified. So I'm going to try to limit the knowledge to exactly what you need to know and nothing more. When I did my CISSP certification, I already had a couple of CCNAs and my CCNP. So the networking domain was really easy for me. But I also had to dumb down some of my answers. Because I was a hands-on techie, I was used to doing stuff, which you do not do on the certification. You are an IT security manager, you are a risk advisor, answer as if you were in one of those positions, and answer every question from the ISC² point of view.